In this session, I'm going to show you how to subtract, add polynomial expressions. Look at this example. We have three separate expressions. They have been connected with negative sign. So first one, we have to multiply from 2 all the terms in this bracket. The second one, here we have 1. From 1, we have to multiply all the terms in this bracket. And third expression, also the same. We have to multiply from 1 all the expressions in this inside the brackets, right? Okay, so look at this. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus into negative is negative. 2 times 3x, 6x. Plus into plus 2 times x squared, 2x squared, negative into positive, again negative, and 1 into x, negative into negative is positive, 1 into x squared, here negative into positive is negative, 1 into 5 is 5, negative into negative is positive, 1 into 2x, negative into plus, again negative, 1 into 4x squared. Now we have to combine with similar terms. Look at the highest degree is x to the power 2, and then here 2x squared plus x squared, and then negative 4 squared. So 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared, and negative 4x squared is negative x squared. Here negative x, negative 6x, negative x, negative 7x, and plus 2x is negative 5x. And then positive 8, and then negative 5 is positive 3. Right? So this is the answer, negative x squared and negative 5x plus 3. So let me show you another example. A squared plus 5a squared b squared, negative 5, close bracket, negative 2 into a squared, negative 3a squared b plus 7b squared, close bracket, negative 2, open bracket, a squared, negative 3b squared, close bracket. So you feel free to pause this video and then try, and then if you can, and then let me show you this one. And then here is 1, and you have to multiply all the terms with 1 like previous one, and here with 2, and here also with 2. A squared plus 5a squared b, negative 5, negative 2a squared, positive 6a squared b, negative into positive again negative, 14b squared, negative into positive again negative, 2a squared, negative into negative is positive again, 6b squared. So a squared b, here a squared b, right? We have two terms, similar terms. So 5 plus 6 is 11, a squared b. Now a squared, negative 2a squared, and negative 2a squared. Here negative 3a squared, and right here a squared and negative a squared, and negative 2a squared is negative 3a squared. And we have b squared, here 6b squared, and negative 4b squared means negative 8b squared. Here negative 5. So final answer is 11a squared b, negative 3a squared, negative 8b squared, negative 5. Okay, let me show you another example. 3x, negative x squared, negative. We have a square bracket here. Inside 4x squared, negative 2x plus 3, close bracket, negative x squared, negative 3x plus 4, close bracket, and then close square bracket. Look at this expression. Then we have a close bracket, square brackets. Inside square brackets, we have two terms, two polynomial expressions. They have been connected with negative sign. So first of all, we need to remove the brackets inside the square brackets. So 3x negative x squared negative. Inside you can multiply by 1, 4x squared negative 2x plus 3, negative x squared positive 3x negative 4. Now we have only square brackets. Now remove the square brackets by multiplying by negative 1. 3x negative x squared, negative 4x squared plus positive 2x, negative 3 positive x squared, negative 3x positive 4. Here negative 4x squared, negative x squared, negative 4x squared is negative 5x squared plus x squared, which means again negative 4x squared. Plus 3x, negative 3x, and then plus 2x is plus 2x. Negative 3, positive 4 means positive 1. That's it. So I hope that you understood this lesson very well, and we can meet up with the next one. Thanks for watching, and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.